when we ask the Muslims that why was the Quran revealed? Many of us say it was revealed for Quran Khani. When we have opening ceremony of an office shop, so we recite the Quran. When we buy a new housewarming ceremony, we recite the Quran. When someone dies, then we recite the Quran. I do not know of any verse in the Quran, no Sahih Hadith, in which the Prophet or any of the Sahabas, they recited the Quran for the opening ceremony of the house or the shop or when someone died. And they get a group of people and they recite the Quran fast. Maybe 30 people, each one reciting one juz. So I tell them that if you really want to do Quran Khani, instead of that, do Quran Fahmi. Do it on this occasion, no problem. Do it once a month. Do it once a week. Do it daily. When you call 30 people, instead of reciting in Arabic one juz, along with Arabic, even read the translation of that juz which you have recited. Instead of 30 people, call 60 people. Read half juz in Arabic, half juz, the translation which you understand the best. Have Quran Fahmi, understand the Quran, understand the message. Inshallah, it will get you multiple times more sawab.